Back everyone, I'll go and show you exactly how to fix your iPhone just in case you can't purchase an app within the App Store. So if you make your way over to your App Store and you try to purchase a specific application, well, there's a couple reasons why it may not be working. The first thing I would recommend doing is that your specific, account that you're buying from is a good standing. Make sure it doesn't have any like random blocks or anything like that. And make sure you're not banned from buying apps. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your settings application. You want to click your name up here. You want to go and click on media and purchases, which is right here. And you want to go and click on view account. Now what you want to do when you sign in, you want to go ahead and make sure that under manage payments and all these other things, you want to make sure you have a proper credit card or whatever associated with your account. If those credentials that you put in with your account aren't actually fully functional, aka you put in the wrong numbers, you put in the wrong credit card, whatever, those things can have some big effects down the road, and you might as well get it fixed now before continuing on. So the big thing you want to do here is to make sure you have the right credentials set up, and as long as that's good, then you are pretty much good to go here. Now the next big thing you want to do is make sure you're connected to a proper network connection. As always, you want to go ahead and make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, data, whatever it is. You want to make sure you're connected to one of those proper signals. Now on top of that, another big thing you want to do is to update your iPhone. So again, just like where we were before, you want to go back into your settings panel. So I'm just going to go and close out of it like this. You want to go into settings. You want to scroll down to general. You want to go and click on software update, and you want to go ahead and update your phone to the most recent version of iOS possible. Now in this case, I'm on the most recent version, so I shouldn't have any issues. So what I would recommend you to do is to go ahead and update your specific iPhone, and again, make sure you're on the most recent version of iOS. So you should be good to go. If that still doesn't work, I would recommend restarting your phone and trying to see what happens from there. You can also try signing out of iCloud, but that's kind of like a last resort, and then sign back in, and that should be fixed for the most part. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.